My name is Ariyo Adene. Here at the 3 Points Workshop, the Mainland Workshop. Of our customers were like, okay, the auto doctor himself, what's more from the Lekki workshop? I've been working from this workshop since yesterday. Today is Friday. I work from the Mainland Workshop on Thursday, and I'm working here today, Friday, because what we are after is quality service. We want to ensure all our customers everywhere have quality service. Today, this is the Ford Explorer 2014, so we're working on the ACC system. So we're going to be changing the compressor and then the condenser and also the expansion valve to flush the system. Also DMOs, when you DM, I also check it myself. So of course we still do the assistant to other workshops, to people who have issues with your car. Your car is with the workshop, with the technician, you're not sure what they want to do on your vehicle. Whatever you have, so you can reach out to us.